Namaste and welcome to how to practice Navasana, the boat pose. So let's break down this practice, see why we would want to practice and what it's actually doing to the body. First, let's get started. So calm seated on your mat and see if you can lean slightly backward. So grab with your hands behind your knees and start leaning backward and try to find that point where you can balance. Now if that's uncomfortable, then you might want to slide a pillow underneath the buttocks. That might help for some of you. And then we have different ways to practice this boat pose. One of them is simply staying here. So if you feel you have a tendency to round the spine backward, then stay with your hands behind the knees, lift the chest upward and rest here. If you feel comfortable here and you want a bit more challenge, then bring the hands out and let them face each other. Keep the sternum lifted. If you want even more of a challenge, then stretch the legs out, spine goes slightly backward, but still stays into that V shape. So choosing any of these variations, staying there, keeping that chest open, legs straight, open, chest lifting the heart. And then slowly coming out by releasing the legs downwards. So that is Navasana, boat pose. Now reasons to practice this, and you probably know it already when you're practicing, it gives this sense of freshness, it gives an openness in the chest, so it really helps releasing fatigue actually, and it helps us to feel fully alive, feel aware, and feel ready to start the day, so it's a very good posture to practice in the morning. At the same time, it's also, of course, working on the abdomen, strengthening our abs and strengthening those core muscles. Thank you for practicing. See you on the next pose.